Flow so potent, I ain't joking. Running through these rappers like a motherfucking spokesman. Grab a little rapper by the neck and then I throw them. Haters on my page, I'ma have to go and quote them. Talk about this and that, I grip the gat. I'll hit your back, you're big, you're fat. But don't mention that I'm dope when I'm spitting raps. I'm a semi-automatic on the mic, it's a freaking fact. These people don't listen, I never get mentioned. I'm loosening up at the game with these wrenches. I came out the hood when nothing was given. No presents were under the tree during Christmas. I'm talking about my life and my grind. I'm painting a picture so vivid it's mine. I want you to understand that where I come from, it never shines. I just wanna feed my family in a different way. I'm tired of breaking down these packs just to have a place. Can't get a job cause my record's ugly like Satan's face. It's time to make a change with my music, so now it's time to race. Hey, what up, Kristen Cali? Hey, support's been real lately. It's time to wrap up on it. I got the pedal to the metal riding out on these fakes. Never stopping, I'ma reach up to the top and be a great. I'm doing what I gotta do to feed my family's face. This is what I love and I ain't stopping it today. Back up or get smacked up. Rap gang about to overlap, yeah. Coming in hot to the scene when I hit that ground, I'ma cause a rapture. Breaking them up, they say that I suck. Messing with me, your face will get fucked. You want it with me, I'm taking your lunch to your blue in the face and I'm making you crunch. I'm sick of these rappers, they're turned into actors. One called it up, turned you bitches. They cast me, you step in my lane, then I'm taking you out. Removing echo from the front of your mouth. You don't want it with me when I run up in your house. Got the beat knocking in the trunk of your spouse. She probably on her knees, on her mouth, on the couch. Give a good head cause she knows you're a clown. I'm riding to the top no matter what, I'm gonna make it. You can try to stop me, but I'm about to come and take it. Riding till the wheels fall off, never break it. Pedal to the metal, riding out on a fake bitch. I'm riding to the top no matter what, I'm gonna make it. You can try to stop me, but I'm about to come and take it. Riding till the wheels fall off, never break it. Pedal to the metal, riding out on a fake bitch. Revving up on them, got the shit to the max. Melting rappers down to liquid like a pipe of some crack. You wanna battle me, then bring a knife and a bat. But when I pop open the trunk, you got to run for the stick. Man, all these artists think they hot, but I'm here to take the spot. Cause they contradict themselves about what they do on the block. Claim the tote in the Glock. Follow the steps of Pac until shit gets real and they're laying dead in the box. Shout out to Simba TV, shout out to Mayo High. Always keeping shit lit, drinking, bruising, getting fried. We're gonna keep on riding out like a plane in the sky. People try to knock us down, but they live in disguise. I'm riding to the top no matter what, I'm gonna make it. You can try to stop me, but I'm about to come and take it. Riding till the wheels fall off, never breaking. Pedal to the metal, riding out on a fake bitch. I'm riding to the top no matter what, I'm gonna make it. You can try to stop me, but I'm about to come and take it. Riding till the wheels fall off, never breaking. Pedal to the metal, riding out on a fake bitch. Hey man, what up, yo? It's your boy T-rev in the motherfucking building, man. Shout out to Wes Warner, shout out to Tony Lanks, shout out to Mackenzie, shout out to William Maddox. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to the motherfucking Crypt Keeper. You know what I'm saying? Tom Rosenthal in the building. You know what I mean? What up? Hybrid. Got everybody rocking out in this bitch, man. Y'all know what's up. What up, Roman? Serpent Venom. I see you. Seth, what up? Hey, yo, man, shout out to all my reaction channels out there showing love. Diesel Kicks. You know what I'm saying? I got my man XMC. Man, just everybody out here showing support, man. I love the fuck out of y'all, man. It's Rev Gang. Let's turn the fuck up on them. Yeah. I'm riding to the top no matter what, I'm gonna make it. You can try to stop me, but I'm about to come and take it. Riding till the wheels fall off, never breaking. Pedal to the metal, riding out on a fake bitch. I'm riding to the top no matter what, I'm gonna make it. You can try to stop me, but I'm about to come and take it. Riding till the wheels fall off, never breaking. Pedal to the metal, riding out on a fake bitch. Shout out to B3 Psycho, shout out to Jacksonville Joe, shout out to Pug Mama, shout out to Daniel Armstrong, shout out to Main Man, shout out to Caleb Lassiter, shout out to Marcy Wise, shout out to Cole Shaw, man, this is for the people. I love y'all. Rev up on them.